Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 18 February 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 13. So, take out your book. Explanation of the chapter already I have done. Now, in today's video, we will open page number 80. First of all, we will discuss things to remember, and after that we will start the book exercises of the chapter. Things to remember. First point, a group of people living together. What is community? Community means a group of people living together in a particular place, that is known as community. Second, community living is found in villages also, towns also, cities and big cities also. Is it clear? Next, community work start at the school level, because school also involve children in the community services. School also involve children in the community services. And for the welfare of the colony, every colony has a resident welfare association. Okay, they look after the park, proper arrangement of all the facilities to the people living there, to organize social functions, melas, festival and other cultural activities, and to ensure regular cleaning of the drains and collection of the garbage. So these are some of the duties of the resident welfare association. Next point, NGOs. So what are NGO? I have already explained you. For the welfare and of the people of the country, central, state and local self-government, they are working for the welfare of the people so that they can fulfill their needs. But it is not possible that all the facilities should be provided by the government only. So, government has involved some NGOs also. Government has involved some NGOs also. NGO means non-government organization, and they also work for the welfare of the poor people. These NGOs also work for the welfare of the poor peoples, and the areas they look after, that is health, education, environment, and time to time they organize blood donation camps, collection of articles during the time of natural disaster, that is earthquake, flood, drought or tsunami. Okay, and next point is given, women's organization. So there are many women organizations which work for the welfare of the woman. What they do? By providing education that help them to become independent. Okay, by providing educations to the woman so that they can become self independent. So now let us start with the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A. Name of the chapter is Our Community. Question number A. Tick the correct answer. Question number first. Which school club which school club or society works on each one teach one. Options are environment, literacy, sports, D is the art. So, which school club society work on each one teach one? देखो environment. No, this is not a right answer. Environment, planting of the trees and keep our surrounding clean, because trees are the lifeline. Even we are getting our living gas, that is oxygen, from the plants, and plants are the only producers. Human beings and all animals, all are depend on plants for their food, and due to human activities we are destroying our planet, that is earth. So environment is not a right answer. Sport is also not a right answer. In sports we play different types of a game, outdoor games also and indoor games also. So this is also not a right answer. Art is also not a right answer. Here question is, which school club society works on each one? See, in community services, okay, in community services the school also involve the children. Is it clear? In community services the school also involve the children, and for what purpose? Reason is adult literacy society. So in this, what we do in this, the children are encouraged to teach. Okay, in this the children are encouraged to teach the elders in the family. Okay, so school has involved the children in the community services also, like adult literacy society. Or what we do in this? In this, we encourage the children to teach elders in their family. So the right answer is literacy. So the right answer is literacy. Second question. An NGO working for the elderly is dash. So the options are HelpAge, an NGO working for the elderly is, and what are the options? HelpAge India, Seva, UNO, and D is Anganwadi. So NGO is non-government organization. Okay, NGOs are, what are NGOs? NGOs are non-government organization. Is it clear? So which NGO working for the elderly, ठीक है, जो बूढ़े लोग हैं उनके लिए कौन सी एनजीओ वर्क कर रही है, ठीक है. सो सेवा बी, दिस इज फॉर द वुमेन्स, ठीक है, ये वुमेन्स के वेलफेयर के वर्क करती है सेवा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. फिर ये नो है. एंड ये आंगनवाड़ी जो है बेटा, ये छोटे बच्चों के लिए होता है, ठीक है, इन विलेजेस एरिया, ठीक है. जैसे शहरों में बच्चे नर्सरी क्लासेस में जाते हैं, प्री नर्सरी क्लासेस, इन द विलेजेस आंगनवाड़ी जो है छोटे बच्चों के लिए 3 से 4 साल के, 4 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चे इसमें जाते हैं, ठीक है, जहाँ उन्हें अल्फ़ाबेट पहचानना सिखाया जाता है. टॉयज़ भी होते हैं, टॉय से वो पहचानते हैं कि क्या शेप है, इसका क्या नाम है, ठीक है. सो आंगनवाड़ी इज इन विलेजेस एंड दिस इज फॉर द children whose age is less than 4 years. So an NGO working for the elderly is HelpAge India. Is it clear? HelpAge, an NGO working for the elderly is HelpAge India. जो बुजुर्ग लोग होते हैं जिन्हें कोई देखने वाला नहीं होता है, ठीक है, एलोन होते हैं, तो ऐसी जगह पे उन लोगों की हेल्प की जाती है. इज इट क्लियर? Now next is सेवा. Third question number third is सेवा. सेवा works for the welfare of dash. So options are man, woman, children, all of them. So seva, so this is also a organization. Now it is asked here, this organization work for the welfare of man. No, this is not a right answer. Children, no, this is not a right answer. Is it clear? Seva work for the welfare of the woman. Seva work for the welfare of the woman. Next question is cry. Question number 4. Cry works for the betterment of works for the betterment of dash. So option number A, children. Option B, man. Option number C, elders. Option number D, woman. So student, cry works for the betterment of dash. देखो man, this is not a right answer. For elders के लिए NGOs जो वर्क करती हैं उनको अभी जस्ट मैंने यहाँ पे बताया था फर्स्ट वाले सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में MCQ में, दैट इज हेल्पेज इंडिया. ठीक है, नेम ऑफ द NGO इज हेल्पेज इंडिया. और वुमेन्स के लिए तो बहुत से वेलफेयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वुमेन्स के लिए. इज इट क्लियर? सेवा है, सेवा सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड वुमेन्स, NCW नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन, and even the army also help to look after the welfare of the Jawan families and it is known as AWA. means Army Wives Welfare Association. So there are many organizations which work for the welfare of the woman. Okay, so this cry was for the betterment of the children. So cry was for the betterment of the children. The Red Cross fifth is the Red Cross, the Red Cross, the Red Cross looks after the Red Cross looks after the hygiene, blood bank, teeth, body building. Now next is the Red Cross looks after the, this is also a organization, so it looks after the hygiene of the peoples. नो स्टूडेंट, और आई होप हाइजीन मीनिंग आपको सबको क्लियर होगा. ठीक है, हम लोग अपना पर्सनल हाइजीन हमेशा मेंटेन करके रखते हैं ना, सो डैट वी आर फिट एंड हेल्दी. वी ट्रिम आवर नेल्स, वी कॉम आवर हेयर्स, ओके, एंड we take bath daily, we wear clean clothes. So and whenever we eat food, before or after eating the food, we wash our hands, and even when we go to toilet or when we use washroom, then also we wash our hands. So these are the things by which you can maintain your personal hygiene. Teeth, this is also not a right answer. Bodybuilding, this is also not a right answer. So the right answer is the Red Cross looks after the blood bank. ठीक है, they look after the blood bank. देखो बेटा, हर जगह क्या ब्लड बैंक होता है, ठीक है, जिसमें पीपल्स, लोग ब्लड को डोनेट करते हैं. ठीक है, एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ इमरजेंसी इफ समवन वांट्स द ब्लड, यू कैन टेक द ब्लड फ्रॉम द ब्लड बैंक. ठीक है, इसीलिए ब्लड डोनेट कैंप्स लगाए जाते हैं जिसमें अपनी मर्जी से लोग अपना ब्लड डोनेट करते हैं. ठीक है, बाय चांस कोई इमरजेंसी है, समवन नीड द ब्लड, सो फ्रॉम दैट ब्लड बैंक दैट पर्सन कैन टेक द ब्लड. Now let's start with question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. First is every school has a some dash involved in community services. So every school has some dash involved in community services. ठीक है, तो जितने भी स्कूल हैं वो किसको इन्वॉल्व करते हैं? एवरी स्कूल इन्वॉल्व द चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है, एवरी स्कूल हैज सम चिल्ड्रन. Every school has some children involved in community services. जैसे कि adult literacy society है. In this we can encourage the student to teach. Okay, in this we can encourage the children to teach the elders in the family. Is it clear? And health and hygiene club. So health and hygiene club, in this also children are involved. They can motivate the people that why we should keep our surroundings clean and what we have to do to keep what we have to do for our personal hygiene so that we are fit and healthy. For example, trim of the nails, taking bath daily, washing hands before or after eating the food, after using the toilet or washroom, wash the hands, comb the hairs. So they motivate the other peoples how to keep ourselves fit and healthy, and what is the importance of clean surrounding. What is the importance of clean surrounding to the people? Another thing, nature and environment, helping in planting trees, cleaning the parks or taking care of flowers. Is it clear? And even disaster relief services. So in this, what the children can do, they can collect clothes from the people, they can collect clothes, medicine, money during the time of crises like flood, earthquake, drought or tsunami. And in this manner they can help the victims. Victim means the people who are suffered due to these natural calamities. Okay, thank you student.